Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Mysore location. Let's discuss one by one. Firstly, there are many vacancies available from Sadvidya Educational Institutions and Kaveri Charitable Trust. So they have released the notification, vacancy notification. So applications are invited from qualified teachers or lecturers to teach in pre-primary, high school, PU, college for the following posts. So they have vacancies for teachers to teach in pre-primary, LKG and UKG English medium. So it is a full-time job. So for these vacancies, qualification will be PUC with NST or BA or BSc with NST. So two vacancies are available for this post. Next, coming to Hindi subject, it is for high school. So it is also a full-time job. Qualification will be BA or MA with BEd. So for this position, Hindi faculty or Hindi teacher, one vacancy is available. Next, they have vacancies for lecturers for pre-university college to teach chemistry and business studies and accountancy, and also for biology also they have vacancies. For chemistry position, qualification will be MSc in chemistry. So for this job vacancy, two posts are available. And the next one for business studies and accountancy, one vacancy is available. Qualification will be MCom. And for biology subject, qualification will be MSc in biology, and only here one vacancy is available for this post. Coming to other vacancies, they have also vacancies for non-teaching staff like attender and AYA positions. So for these positions, qualification will be SSLC or PUC experienced person are preferred for attender position, and for AYA position SSLC experienced person is preferred. So for attender, two vacancies are available, and for AYA position, one vacancy is available. So interested candidates, qualified and eligible candidates, you can apply with the Xerox copy of your credentials to South Vidya Central Office on before 8th April 2021. Time will be 4 p.m. So you can attend to the interview at the South Vidya Semi-Residential PU College. It is run by the Kaveri Charitable Trust. So you can attend to the interview to the below mentioned address on the following dates. Here they have provided here the dates to attend for the interview. For pre-primary teachers, interview date will be 16th April 2021 at 11 a.m. And for pre-primary and high school AYA and attender non-teaching positions, interview date will be 16th April 2021. Time will be at 3 p.m. Next, there are job opportunities available from Akshantala Enterprises Private Limited. So they have vacancies for medical writers, statistician, and also customer care executive positions. Firstly, for medical writers position, eligibility criteria will be they are looking for any medical or dental related degree candidates, and prior experience is an added advantage but not necessary, and should be good in English language. Remaining, you can check with the job description. So both in-house and work from home options are also available for this position. Next, coming to statistician position. So for this position also, both in-house and work from home options are available. You can check with the remaining job description. Eligibility criteria will be MD community medicine or MSc and or PhD statistics, and should be familiar with the statistical analysis of research articles and dissertations. Next, third one for customer care executives, they need female candidates. Eligibility criteria will be So you should have done post graduation or graduation in any subject, and the candidate should be fluent in English, and they are preferring the candidates for married candidates and settled in Mysore, willing to work for a minimum 2 years period of 2 years, and should be dynamic and should strive to reach targets. Age limit should be below 35 years. So you can check with the information provided here. So interested candidates, you can if you have any queries, you can approach them with the given phone numbers. First one 9980074468 or 9901746268. Next, there are vacancies from Technotask Business Solutions Private Limited. So they are looking for graduates and undergraduates with or without experience. So Kannada, Tamil, Telugu or Malayalam speakers with excellent communication skills are required, and they are going to offer a salary range between 8,000 to 13,000 rupees per month. So interested candidates, you can walk in to the interview between 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. from Monday to Saturday. So they have provided here the contact details and also address details. You can check with this. Next, there is a job vacancy for compliance officer position. Age should be between 30 to 40 years, and minimum 5 years of experience is required in executing and handling legal documents of corporate companies, and real estate document vetting and dissolution, understanding the legal form, revenue or registration process. So salary as per company standards. So interested candidates for this job vacancy, you can send your resume to the provided mail ID, that is hr@shubhamworld.com. Next, there is a job vacancy for executive position. So it is for fresher candidates to sell their residential sites in Mysore. So two-wheeler is must, and they are going to provide a salary and additionally incentives. Interested candidates, you can approach them with the given phone number for more detailed information. The number is 9353415781. Next, there are vacancies for telecallers and marketing executives for Panchora Industries Limited. So salary will be between 15,000 to 25,000 rupees per month. Interested candidates, you can approach them with the given phone numbers for more detailed information. First one 7259348486 or 8880888679. Next, there are vacancies for hairstylists and beautician. So they need skilled persons with minimum 2 years of experience is required. It is for only female candidates. Interested candidates, you can approach them with the given phone number for more detailed information. The number is 09663385 Next, there are vacancies available for technicians. It is from Ravin Enterprises, Kutkalli Colony. So it is for Mysore location. So they have vacancies for electrical and electronics, fitter and automobile, hardware and networking and helper positions. So anyone is interested to apply these positions, you can approach them with the given phone number for more detailed information. So they have provided here the address details. You can check with this. The number is 918951073865. Next, there are vacancies for female telecallers from SM Enterprises. It is near Indian Bank, MH Mahadevapura Main Road, Udaygiri, Mysore location. So they have provided here the address details and also contact numbers to approach them. So if you have any queries, you can approach them with the given phone numbers. First one 9902041345. Second number 6363305974. So that's it in this video, guys. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and if you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job, and also please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.